Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. And this week's phrase will come in very handy when you're learning Welsh because it means I don't know. And the phrase is dwi ddim yn gwybod. I don't know. Dwi ddim yn gwybod. Now on the street they use certain shortcuts and you might hear instead dwi ddim yn gwybod, which is just a short form of gwybod. I'll say it slowly so you can get the pronunciation. Dwi ddim yn gwybod. Dwi ddim yn gwybod. I don't know. Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.